Hi, I'm Dan Costa, Editor-in-Chief of PCMag.com, and welcome to One Cool Thing. We usually show you one cool thing that we're testing in the lab. Today we're actually at CE Week, and we're looking at all the cool products that are here on display for us to play with. And we've got some great products to show you today from Remo Plus. Hannah's going to demo them to us. Hannah, what exactly am I holding in my hands?
So you're holding the Remo Plus video doorbell. It's the hardwired version, which pretty much replaces your existing doorbell. It's got wide viewing angle, and it comes with two different wedges so that you can adjust the viewing angle according to the structure of your home.
So obviously it will work as a doorbell, it'll emit a sound if you press the button, but you've got the camera, and then what are the other smart features built into this?
Yeah, so the big ball you see over there is an advanced PIR sensor, and it detects pretty much motion, and so it'll alert you if there's any activities at your doorway or if someone presses the doorbell. And from that point on, you can pretty much talk to the person, see them, and have a video recording of every activity that happens at your doorway.
It's built-in speaker and accessible from your phone?
Yes.
So is there a separate app that you need to, or is it web-based?
So you just have to download the free Remo Plus app, and it's compatible across all of our products.
Cool, and what is the price point on this, and how can people find it?
The price point is $199. They can find it on our website, remoplus.co, or on Amazon, Walmart, and different nationwide retailers.
Very cool. And then you've got another product here that you wanted to talk about, which does a similar thing, but not exactly.
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite products because this is the world's first and only over-the-door camera. As you can see, we have a little mini door here. All you have to do is take it out of the package, pop in 3D batteries, and hang it over the door. And again, as soon as you connect it with the app, it'll detect motion, you'll be able to see your visitors, talk to them, and have a video recording. Pretty much the same features as a video doorbell.
Very cool, without any wires or anything else.
No, and the battery life is actually 12 months, so you don't even have to worry about it for a while once it's up there.
That is pretty great. And so let me see, and I'm assuming this does work on larger doors?
Yes.
Human-sized doors it will also work on? That's great, and this is adjustable, so you can, depending on the thickness of your door?
Yeah, so most residential doors have a width of 1 to 3/4 inch to 2 inches, and so we come with a wrench that you can adjust the bracket to fit your exact door size.
Cool. And what kind of batteries does it take?
It takes 3 D cells.
Okay.
So, yeah, the good old D cells that last
Ds,
a long time. You can get the replaceable ones too, so you can just charge them instead of getting new pairs.
And does this have the same engagement, interactivity with like the speaker and the voice and all of that?
Yep, everything. So it detects motion, you can see the camera through the camera, and you can talk to your visitors from any smart device.
Very cool. And what's the price point on this?
This one's at $199. You can also find us on remoplus.co, Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, and
So you've got some pretty good distribution, Direct Plus. And how are these selling? Like, who's the perfect customer for this type of product?
That's a great question. As you can see, this is the door. Yeah, I mean, a lot of homeowners don't want to go through the hassle of installing something, adopt door cam, but we've seen a lot of tenants and people that are living in rental properties use this camera because, as you know, there's no wires, it's super easy to install, and so yeah.
It's actually a really good point. We're obviously shooting this in New York City. A lot of people are renters. We've seen a couple of home security solutions that are designed for renters. So you're not putting holes in your walls, and you can just take this device with you when you move to your next apartment.
Exactly. And I want to mention that this is also has an indoor Wi-Fi connection. So a lot of video doorbells and outdoor cameras are installed on the outside of the house. So a lot of the thick building materials cause an interference with the network connection. But by design, Remo Plus Door Cam has the Wi-Fi chipset and the antenna housed inside the house, and so you're guaranteed the most optimal network connection possible, providing better video feeds, quicker motion detection and alerts.
Do you find most people just buy one for their front door, or they buy multiple units?
I think they start with the front door, but we have definitely seen people buy 2 or 3 more units for maybe their kids' rooms. I don't know where they use it for, but yeah, definitely more than one.
Very cool. We'll definitely get these into the lab to test. I can't wait to check them out and see how they stack up.
Great, thank you so much.
That's One Cool Thing. We've got plenty of more videos on Facebook, on YouTube, and all over the internet on our site at PCMag.com. Thanks for joining us.